Hey everyone, this is Beth Boucher from Inspiring Young Learners, and here's a quick tutorial on how to use the daily digital journal prompts. This is a great way to start off the new year and to provide just a daily journal for the students to reflect on, for you to get an inside look into how they're doing, how they're feeling, to connect with them. You can respond to these journal entries and to really just start off the year with thinking about mindset and challenges and goals as you head into a new year. So I'm going to quickly just show you how you can use these and really use these however it works best for you. So the first few slides just have some schedule sheets. If you are looking for something to use, you can feel free to use those. But what you'll find here is a journal entry for Monday through Friday, a different type each day that you can pick and choose what you want to use. So what I would say is go through and decide, okay, for this first week of January, I'm going to copy and paste these all to a new Google Slides and create a Monday through Friday. So let me show you how to do that here. Okay, we're going to go and create a new blank one. So you can just copy and paste that in there. If you want to change the slide setup, then just go to page setup and go custom 11 by 8.5. So I'm going to use that Monday slide. I'm going to go back and find a Tuesday one. So Tuesday is Talk About It Tuesday. I might start with this one for that first week. You can decide whichever ones you want to use. You can use them multiple times. Wednesday is Wednesday wrap up, so this is more of a exit slip. Let's go with this feelings one. There we go. Then I would go back, find a Thursday. Thursday is Think About It Thursday, so it has a character trait word that it focuses on with a picture, and then it gives kind of a little story prompt and has kids think about some different events that might happen in their class. So let's start off with kindness for this week. And then the last one's Fun Friday. So these are just some fun prompts that get kids writing. So once I have that whole week set up, Monday through Friday, I can then assign this through Google Classroom or however I want to, and then have the students do that each day. The great thing is I can check in on that. I can also respond. You can respond here in the speaker notes, or you can add in a new slide and then just type a response here. But it's really important for you to be dialoguing with the students and just showing them that you're engaged and getting to know them in this way and encouraging them in their writing. So then you can go back and do the same thing for the following week. Just choosing your different Monday activities through Friday activities and assigning them. So I hope this is a great way for you to start off the new year and that your students really enjoy writing with these digital journal prompts.